Welcome back to Fusion Blends. Today we're delving into the world of diabetes and exploring natural remedies to help manage it effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health tips. Diabetes is a chronic condition where the body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels. Now, let's explore 4 powerful herbs that can aid in diabetes management naturally. Cinnamon, known for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal or in your favorite recipes. Fenugreek, rich in soluble fiber, fenugreek can help control blood sugar levels. Try adding it to soups or stews for a flavorful boost. Bitter melon. This unique vegetable contains compounds that mimic insulin. Include bitter melon in your salads or stir-fries for a tasty twist. Ginger. Not only does ginger add zing to your dishes, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties that can support diabetes management. Incorporate it into your tea or as a spice in your cooking. Now let's whip up a delicious and diabetes-friendly smoothie using these herbs. Introducing the Diabetes Buster Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon fenugreek powder, 1/2 cup bitter melon, chopped 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, grated 1 cup spinach, optional for added nutrients, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, unsweetened, 1/2 cup almond milk, unsweetened. Instructions: add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy this nutrient-packed, diabetes-friendly smoothie. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, is crucial in managing diabetes. Subscribe for more insightful health tips and recipes, and let's journey towards a healthier you together. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you've tried the Diabetes Buster Smoothie, share your experience in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy.